What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the always on display on your Apple iPhone Air. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. Alright, so always on display is this screen right here. It pretty much always stays on, showing the date and time and the screensaver. As long as there's light, even if you lock it here with the power lock button, it's always going to show this screen. And you know, this can get pretty annoying. And it also drains the battery of your phone a lot faster because it's always using energy to light up the display and show you the information here on the always on display. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can disable this, how you can turn it off if you choose to. So all you got to do is go into settings. Here in settings, we're going to scroll down to display and brightness. Here in display and brightness, we're going to scroll all the way down. And then towards the bottom, we're going to see the option right here, always on display. Here we're going to select it. And here you can toggle it on or off depending on your preference. So here I'm going to turn it off. There you go. It hid all the other options. Okay. And now when you lock your phone, the screen will completely black out and save you battery. So there you go. That is how you disable or enable always on display on your Apple iPhone Air. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.